This is the battery replacement for the JBL Flip 5 Eco. Pry off and remove the wire meshes. Now you can loosen these screws. The JBL Flip 5 Eco was made with 90% recycled plastic, but performance-wise, it is exactly the same as the original Flip 5. Both are waterproof and the battery lasts near 12 hours. The recharge speed is around 2.5 hours. The versatility on this device is so good, simply due to its size, Bluetooth function, and its ability to fill the entire room with its excellent sound. Pry off and remove the rubber spine. Now pry off and remove the end cap with the JBL logo. This can be a little tricky. You can now loosen these screws. Now gently take the speaker unit out. Make sure to be careful as there are wires attached. Unplug and remove the speaker unit. Unlock and unplug this connector. Push the main board out. Unplug and remove the battery. Now install and plug the new Cameron Sino battery. Plug and lock this connector. Now plug and install the speaker unit. This speaker allows you to use your smartphone as a remote control, so you can change sounds from the comfort of anywhere of close proximity. Now install the end cap. And finally just install the rubber spine. Make sure it's installed on properly by pressing on each side. You can even use the speaker to connect to JBL Party Boost, whereby you can connect 2 speakers, perfect for parties and gatherings. The best thing about this speaker is probably the durability and portability. You really can't go wrong if you love travel and adventure as well when you bring this along. Our Cameron Sino battery can maximize the potential of this device. Now install the wire meshes and you're good to go.